Do you want to become a web developer? Do you want to go for a high paid job in the future? I think might be yes. Then, do you looking for a best expert advice for this? Hello friends, welcome to newindiavoice.com. Here I will tell you complete process about that. So be connected with us. Today we will talk over the hottest topic of all the time, a right path for a web developer. Here I will tell you how you become a web developer by following these steps. Alright. Now I ask a question to yourself first, that why should you want to become a web developer only? This is very important question, because I mean to say that there are lots of courses available in the market. Then why should you only want to become a web developer? Like, you can become an engineer, you can become a doctor, you can become a magician, you can become a blogger or YouTuber, but you only decide to become a web developer. So might be there is something behind this. If you're doing this just for a money or comfort level job, then might be you should have to stop at your place. Because then wait, you have to think 100 times for that. Because to be very successful in any field, you want to become a passionate about that particular. Because find out, and a good reason will definitely bring you a surprise gift in the future. So, when you find out your passion in this, then go for these further steps which will be helpful to you. Here, think different, and in this video, I will explain you only about courses and the qualification needed for this. If you also want to go in this without courses, then watch our upcoming video regarding this. In that, I will tell you about that. There are lots of courses available in the market, but we only talk about those which will useful to you in this way. So keep smiling. And still you are not subscribing our channel, then please subscribe, because here you will find out everything about your upcoming future plans. And also this is a technical channel for that. Require qualification for these courses. So here we will talk about 10th, 12th and graduation level. I will explain you all three levels from here. On 10th basic, you can do a diploma polytechnic from a computer science. About CS diploma computer sciences, you can do this for a government, private and both colleges. Course duration will be 3 years. Course standard will be medium. Course level is better than doing 12th. Course fee is approximately for 3 years 30k to 1 lakh rupees. After these 3 years, you can do BCA, which will be you to 2 years. You can do BTech for 3 years and MCA, MTech further as well, if you want to grow better than this field from as before as. So you can do this as a CS diploma. Here I will next go to the 12th level, where you can do BCA and BTech. Now we will talk about what is BCA. So BCA is a 3 years duration course which you can do by after 12th. Course standard will be the graduate level, course type is technical, course difficulty is a very normal, and course fees is approximately 70k to 2 lakhs for 3 years complete courses. So it's all dependent over the college decided by you. Now about BTech course. This duration will be the 4 years after you are doing this your 12 by a science, math and other. Course standard will be graduation, course type is technical, course difficulty is again normal, and course fees is 70k to 2 lakh rupees for complete 4 years. So it's all dependent over the you decided about the colleges, because the fees always depended corresponding according to your college and selections. On graduation level, after BSc, you can do direct apply for a MCA. You are understanding? There is no need to join the BCA, because you are already done your mathematics and other before by BSc. So you can directly apply for MCA. And from other streams, you can do BCA first. So if you are belongs to the arts or commerce stream, go for BCA. And if you are just belongs to the BSc stream, then go for MCA, because it will definitely very helpful to you. So this way you can do 10th, 12th and graduation level as a web development courses. So these are the list of the courses which will be helpful to you, like BCA, MCA and others. So here, this way you can achieve your goal as much faster as other than. So you might be understand everything very well. Now we are done with these courses, and I hope that you like our information provided by us, and this way you can achieve that web development goal very soon. And the rest, guys, if you want to learn HTML, you want to learn CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, Python, and other technical skills, then please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will explain you it to about from key points, and definitely you will be pro by that. Here I will tell you how to decide these. Like in HTML, there are lots of tags, but what tag you should have to use, what script you should have to use, what type of CSS you have to use, how to decide the breadth and everything from a key point. And definitely I will take this guarantee that you will learn very well than others platforms. So please subscribe our channel so that you can enjoy our services for very free. There is nothing to be chargeable, it's all free. So here I'm going, and I will come back soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel. I hope you like information provided by us, and we will soon meet you again. So here I'm going. Please like